Thank you for calling U.S. Notary Agency, the power of attorney notary experts. My name is Sabrina. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking to get a power of attorney done, notarized. I've never had one done before. Can you help me out with that?
Absolutely, I can help with that. We specialize in notarizing power of attorney documents, so you're in the right place. Let me guide you through the process and get everything set up for you. To start, I'll need a few quick details to make sure we're fully prepared. Does that sound good?
Sure.
Great. First, may I have your name, please?
Herman Munster,
Thank you, Herman. Next, could you share the best phone number to reach you?
312-555-1234.
Got it. That's 312-555-1234, correct?
Yes.
Perfect, thank you. Now, will you need a third-party witness for the notarization? Some power of attorney documents require one. If so, would you be providing the witness, or would you like us to arrange that for you?
Can the witness be a cousin?
Yes, a cousin can typically serve as a witness, as long as they're not named in the power of attorney document or have any direct interest in it. If that works for you, you can provide the witness. Would you like to go with that option?
Yes.
All right, noted. You'll be providing the witness. Now, will you need us to print the document for you, or will you have it ready at the appointment?
We'll have it ready.
Got it, you'll have the document ready. Just to confirm, will all signers have valid government-issued photo IDs available at the appointment?
Yes, they will.
Perfect. And when are you hoping to schedule this? Do you have a specific day or time in mind?
Yeah, I was looking Wednesday mornings.
All right, so this Wednesday, February 18th in the morning. Let me check our availability for you real quick. One moment. Okay, we have openings at 9 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. Would either of those work for you?
Do you have 11 o'clock available?
Let me check. Yes, we can do 11 a.m. this Wednesday, February 18th. Shall I lock that in for you?
Yes.
All right, you're all set for Wednesday, February 18th at 11 a.m. Now, could you provide the full address where the notarization will take place?
Sure. It's 1313 Mockingbird Lane, Chicago, Illinois.
Thank you. Just to confirm, that's 1313 Mockingbird Lane, Chicago, Illinois, correct?
Yes.
Perfect, I've got that noted. To recap, we're scheduled for Wednesday, February 18th at 11 a.m. at 1313 Mockingbird Lane, Chicago, Illinois. You'll have the power of attorney document ready, a valid ID for all signers, and you'll be providing the witness. Now, based on everything we've scheduled, your total investment